Here on the farm at Gaia Herbs, we grow herbs the only way we know how.
The doing things the right way. Here there are many paths.
But no shortcuts!
Hey, wait for me. There's no rules that say we have to handpick our herbs to get all the best parts.
Well, why wouldn't we? Just because it's way more difficult? Nobody said we had to test and test and test each and every herb. Well, Tim did.
You think other companies would be a bit more curious?
Sick burn, Tim. Technically, we could use cheap refined sugar to make our gummies.
But except for that, we would never, ever do that.
I'm sure those other supplement companies have their reasons for not doing things like we do.
But we can't do things any other way.
Because working hard means our herbs work hard for you. Ooh, pure ashwagandha?
How'd you know?